Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you happen to be subscribed, welcome back to my channel. I am currently looking, I had a long day of work, okay, and I am now at my local thrift store. I'm gonna find a piece of furniture that I can flip. I've decided to take up furniture flipping as a hobby, at least to give it an attempt, to perhaps make some extra money, learn a new skill, work with my hands, be a little bit artistic. I love all of those things, so hopefully I can find a nice piece of furniture that I will flip. Alrighty, so mission accomplished. I bought a piece of furniture. Now that I've got my piece of furniture, I'm gonna go to Home Depot and pick up the supplies. Okay, welcome to my craft table. Basically, all I got is right here. It cost me in total $135 US after tax. So I bought a, what's it called? Like a drop cloth to protect my balcony. Some nitro coated gloves. I didn't buy a huge pack. There's only 5 pairs in here because I don't know how this project is gonna go. 3 types of sandpaper, 80, 120, which comes with a block, and 400 grit. Then I also bought primer, polyurethane, and paint. A zebra brush. This was a recommended brush according to the YouTube video tutorial that I watched. And a 4-inch high density foam roller with a paint tray. I will link everything down below.
Let's welcome a very dope young rap crew from Oakland, California. This is their latest single on the Jive label entitled 93 Till Infinity. Ladies and gentlemen, show some
some love deep inside of me, no need to lie to me. I know you got a guy, he's not a guy to me. Just say goodbye to him, then take a ride to me, ride to me. I still got some love deep inside of me, no need to lie to me. I know you got a guy, he's not a guy to me. Just say goodbye to him, then take a ride to me, ride to me. I still got some love deep inside of me. Please drag it out of me. You're just mine. Just might get that G-Wagon